Hi, I'm David Seahorn. I'm the operations manager here at Hite Collision Repair Center. Been here 23 years as the operations manager. It's been a family-owned business since 1960. Been a very successful collision repair business. The Hite family bought it in 1960. Came to a body shop it was called Hite Collision Repair. And Hite, like I said, bought it in 1980, which they changed the name in 1990 to Hite Collision. Third family that bought it, the Buller family, Julie and David Buller, bought it in 2000, the year 2000. I've been the operations manager here since 1994. And my son Austin's been with us for about 4 years. And when I started here, he was 3 years old. He was sitting on my lap in there while I was writing estimates 23 years ago.
My earliest memory of being at the shop is probably being first grade. I think the biggest difference between us and a dealership or a chain shop, we're a tight-knit community here, so we can kind of take control and get the job done the way it's supposed to be. A dealership, they have kind of a hierarchy they have to go through. They'll have to ask their manager and their manager to get the right parts. We kind of just get it done and get it done the right way.